Eating disorders and recovery. Tips for building a healthier lifestyle. A good soul is often characterized by qualities such as kindness, empathy, and sincerity. Here are some signs of a good soul in a man or woman. 1. Empathy. They genuinely care about how others feel and make an effort to understand their emotions. Kindness. They perform acts of kindness without expecting anything in return. 3. Integrity. They live by strong moral principles and are honest in their actions. Generosity. They willingly share their time, energy, or resources to help others. Respectful. They treat everyone with dignity and respect regardless of status or background. 6. Non-judgmental. They accept people for who they are without being critical or harsh. 7. Positive influence. Their presence uplifts and inspires others to be their best selves. 8. Humility. They don